So, Martin, Mama, Maxi here swimming, ay kayaking. Ba't parang natatanggal to? Ang goggles na to. Pag napasukan ako ng tubig. Say hi!
Sobra, no? Oop! Ano sabi mo? Tupol!
Record pala yun.
Hawakan. Martin, follow Ate Maxi na.
No? Tinanong ako ni Papa bakit ayaw ko daw pumunta rin sa malalim. Yung sugat ko, mama.
Ano ka nalagyan mong ban?
Alamin ka nga, pero masakit ka rin.
Pero kayo na pwesto ni Papa.
Dito rin tayo last time, nalala mo, Mike. Makasama sila Pao. Kasama sila Pao. Hindi pa nakapuntang ball si Pao. Yes.
Hindi pa?
Pak! Go opposite of Martin! Left, Martin!
Ang gulo.
Oh, straight. Okay ba kayo? Dapat. Opposite kayo.
Martin. Mama. Push us away, please. Wag!
Sabi mo push us away please.
May tao, Martin! May tao!
Martin, may tao! Martin!
Time there. 30 minutes. Ano, gusto mo? Sakat man.
Natamaan siya sa ulo.
Hi guys! I don't know what I look like, but I'm near the camera. There's Martin and Ate. May Zoom ba dito? Is there a Zoom? I don't think may Zoom. But there they are. They're fresh from Palawan. They kayak all the way here from El Nido. It's been 4 years since 2022 where they started. And right now, only one person is, no, 1.5 people. Actually, just one person. Because they both make half a person. I mean, like, by their height. And then, we're in Bohol. And there's Mama and Papa. They're both grown vertically and horizontally. And this one too, the monkey. Say hi! Your legs are so long here! Wait, what is this? Ba't may sumara? How long can we what if us stops? We're gonna keep on doing something.
Okay, ready?
Wait lang.
Wait.
Napasok kanina ko. You come here.
Nagawa niyo dalawa.
Go. You go.
Ikaw kasi ikaw na sa harapan niya.
You have to shoot yourself. Go. You should have seen me like when I turned. I was like, because I didn't see the camera. So, handstand. May pause pala siya. Hindi ko lang napipili.
Anong klaseng ka magpaayon?
I'm not getting there. No!
Ano to, Martin? Did you ring the bell? Ring the bell. Ring mo daw yung bell. Sige, ring mo. Martin.
Lagyan mo ng worms.
Yan na. Hello. Anong gagawin dito? One only, kuya. One only.
They stole it.
One more. Last one. Last one na.
They might think this is sleeves. Sayang naman ang kuwawa.
Kawawa.
Ay! We share!
Kawawa naman yung others here. Last one na lang para for others naman. Martin, the little boy, the little boy, the little. The kid.
Oh, let the kid, let the kid, let the kid, let the kid.
The mommy.
I just threw the whole. No.
No! Don't throw the coconut shell.
Martin, wag isa-isa.
Hi. Oh, you should be here. It says there, feed me. So I can take a picture of you there.
Oh, look, the tortoise.
Tortoise?
Maybe there's kids in there.
Hello.
Tanungin mo yung pangalan, Martin.
What's your name? No. Sabi nung turtle.
It's eating. Mommy, excuse me.
Ay, sorry.
Naman, di ba?
sorry.
No. Oh, iniwan. I'm sorry. Martin, you see the other one now? How can we handle this?
Isa lang.
Mama, there's guinea pigs over there.
Ha?
Oh, cute.
Kung nandito si Nika, nakarga na yan. Max, the other one is sleeping, oh. Do not disturb. It ate Max. It ate that. Max, hindi naman nag-aagawan yung dalawa. Hindi naman. Not allowed. Parang si Max hindi niya kahit tulog pag pinakain. Di ba, Max? Ah. Door. Slow shotting. Ikaw, Len. Martin, don't drop. Give mo kay Ate Len yung ano. Give mo kay Ate Len. Para si Ate Len naman ang lalapitan. Martin, take a picture of Ate Len. Dali, get the cellphone of Ate Len. Get the cellphone of Ate Len. mo na ba si Ate Len? Martin, don't open your mouth.